Today, I'm excited to share with you this easy, no-knead rosemary artisan bread recipe. This recipe yields a delicious rustic bread with a flavor that's simply amazing, so easy and stress-free. Combine 3 cups bread flour or all-purpose flour, 1 packet or 2 1/4 teaspoons instant or rapid rice yeast, 2 teaspoons salt, and 1 1/2 cups or 12 ounces very warm tap water. Mix the ingredients gently until combined. It turns into a somewhat shaggy ball of dough that's very sticky. Dust lightly with additional flour to make it less sticky and more manageable. Add in your fresh or dried rosemary and mix until it's evenly distributed throughout the dough. The amount of rosemary depends on your preference. Cover it with plastic wrap or cover your mixing bowl with a cotton cloth and let it rest at room temperature for 2 to 3 hours. During this time, the yeast will do its magic. After the dough has rested for 2 to 3 hours, it will almost double its size and become sort of jiggly. Sprinkle it lightly with additional flour to make it less sticky and easy to handle. In the meantime, preheat your Dutch oven for at least 30 minutes inside your standing oven at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Smoothen the dough with a few strokes by gently tucking it in. Form it into a semi-ball shape, and with a butter knife, place indentions on top of the dough. Let it rest while we carefully take out the Dutch oven as it will be extremely hot. Place your ball of dough on a parchment paper. Then place the dough sitting on the parchment paper inside the warm Dutch oven. Place the lid back. Your standing oven should be preheated to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the rosemary artisan bread for 25 to 30 minutes at 450 degrees, or until the bread is golden brown and sounds hollow when tapped on the bottom. If you prefer the bread to be a bit more crusty brown, you can take off the Dutch oven lid and let the artisan bread bake till it reaches the desired crusty brown exterior. Afterwards, take out the rosemary artisan bread from the Dutch oven and let the artisan bread cool on a wire rack. Look at that steam. Let me get a slice and dip it in butter. This is what bread making is all about, the joy of creating something delicious and sharing it with others. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!